I will be showing you guys how to cut and sew this senator outfit step by step. But there is a particular question I get asked every time. Most of you guys have asked me a question. How do you get this shape of your senator outfit? How do you get this shaped side, this particular place? How do you shape that side of your senator outfit? So I'll be walking you guys through the process of cutting this step by step in this video. We are going to cut it, slant the shoulder, cut the armhole, all step by step. So before we get into the video, all you have to do for me is just to smash the like button. Just smash the like button. It's as simple as that. So let's get into the video. So I'll walk you guys through the process of folding this, which will be the very first thing. So during our beginners class, in case you haven't checked up on our beginners class, I'm going to show you some formulas here that you have to pay attention to. But during our beginners class, I show you guys how to take measurements and stuffs like that. So here we have something called ease allowance. Let me explain this so that you can understand. There's a difference between ease allowance and sewing allowance. If we take a closer look at my measurement here, I have my chest measurement, which is 36. And here I have an ease measurement, which is 4 inches. I'll be adding an ease allowance of 4 inches to that. Just for example, if I take a fit measurement of this biro, like a skin measurement, and I sew exactly that measurement, and I ask the person to wear it back, it will be a lot difficult to wear that exact measurement. That's why ease allowance comes in. You can take a loose measurement, but I prefer to take a skin measurement when I'm sewing when I'm making a senator outfit. So I shed more light to this in our beginners class actually, so that you're going to understand how this works in order to get a fitted outfit. But in case you take a loose measurement, you're going to still have your 40 inches circumference or somewhere around 42. But here, if I take a skin measurement, I'll be using 36 plus 4 inches, which will give me 40. So that will be my chest circumference, right? That will be my chest circumference. So now 40 divided by 4, which will give me 10 inches, right? So now our 10 inches will be our main bodice measurements. Now I'm going to add an extra 2 inches to that 10 for the sewing allowance, which will make it a total of 12. So I fold this fabric at 12 inches. I believe you guys can see that. I fold this entire bodice at 12 inches. And you can see, but that edge of the fabric, you're going to simply cut that part out. You can see it's a cashmere fabric, so that edge is not useful. We're going to simply cut that out. So I want you guys to pay attention to that. And the next thing we are going to simply mark now is going to be our length. We're going to mark our length. That's for our chest. Our chest, we fold that fabric at 40 inches, at